Hi, this is La Paz Yachts, your trusted source for quality cruising sailboats in Mexico. Today's featured deal, Dreamcatcher, a 1975 Cal 246 Ketch, now for just $60,000. The lowest price Cal 246 on the market, guaranteed. Designed by William Lapworth, one of America's most respected naval architects, the Cal 246 was built for serious offshore cruising without sacrificing comfort or performance. Back in the 1980s, Cal boats said it best, because an offshore cruiser doesn't have to sail like an antique. Decades and thousands of nautical miles later, that line still holds true. Dreamcatcher is ocean-ready and extensively upgraded. A rebuilt Spectra watermaker, 360 watts of solar, dual alternators, 750 amp-hour house bank, inverter chargers, and a Perkins 85 horsepower diesel with major service. She features a bright, spacious layout with a raised dinette, stand-up engine room, washer, upgraded galley, and 2 private heads. Ketch rigged with updated rigging, roller furlers, twin head sails, and spinnaker poles, and so much more. She's ready for serious cruising and awaiting for a new crew to continue her chase. But don't take our word for it. Check Yacht World and compare. Dreamcatcher is the lowest price Cal 246 available today, by far, and is already awaiting for you at the gates of the Sea of Cortez, San Carlos, Mexico. Have questions or are you ready to schedule a showing? Contact our brokers today to learn more about Dreamcatcher and yacht ownership in Mexico. Thanks for watching. For more proven cruising boats at unbeatable prices, follow and subscribe to the La Paz Yachts channel. See you on the water!